Whew. That's that seated on. There's the first one done. Didn't take long, 5 minutes. I always do them in the stand so I don't break the seal when I'm putting it down. Easy peasy. Right, on to the back one. That's where the dyno plug went into the wall of the tyre, and this is what it looks like on the inside. My hands are slippery. Let's put a cloth on it. There we go. That's that on the rim. Put this back on the bike and sit it on. Let's wet that rim, some soapy water, and the other side. This is already preloaded. And let's hit the switch. Ready guys? Let's hit the switch. Just the one click. Oh, it's on. Let's take this off. Put some sealant in. Give it a shake. There we go. Put some sealant in the valve. That's the sealant in. Let's take that off. Let's put the valve core back in. Put the valve core back in. Make sure that's up nice and tight. Get the floor pump and pump it up as normal now because it's already seated. Take that off. Give it a spin. Give that a nice clean off now. That's it guys. I'm ready for a bit of light gravel riding. How nice is that? Hopefully these sidewalls will be up to the job. So this is your WTB Byway 34s. Because I do mainly road cycling, but I do like to hit the trails now and again. This is exactly what these tyres are designed for. And nice today, guys. Hopefully it'll last better on the trails than the Goodyear Eagle F1s. I forgot what they were then. I've not had them long. It was second ride, I think it was, third ride. God. Yeah, it didn't last very long at all before both sidewalls split at the same time. Unbelievable. I'll show you what the repair. There's to repair the plug, the dyno plug. And that's what it looks like inside. I had to put 2 of them in. Still didn't seal it because I don't know, something to do with his rim here, and basically these were now deemed useless for tubeless, so they would have always had to have had a inner tube in, but they're an absolute nightmare to get on and off. Honestly, the worst tyres I've ever tried getting on and off. Just I've got injuries. But yeah, these babies were really easy to put on, to be fair. They sealed up lovely first time. Right, I guess the next ride I've got to do is I've got to hit the trails. Right, thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye bye. Bye.